Today in this video, we'll see how millions of eggs are produced in poultry farm. First, the factory imports the required number of fertilized eggs to produce unfertilized eggs. If you need clarification about fertilized eggs and unfertilized eggs, fertilized eggs are produced by mating a hen and a rooster, which gives birth to a new chicks. But unfertilized eggs are only produced by hens. They do not need a rooster to produce unfertilized eggs. And unfertilized eggs are only for eating, not for making babies. If you keep it for a long time, it eventually spoils. Fertilized eggs are arranged in trays and shipped into incubator for hatching. An egg incubator is a controlled environment chamber that simulates natural conditions for hatching chicks. It provides the necessary features to hatch chicks rapidly and successfully, such as temperature control, humidity control, ventilation, and egg turning facilities. Why use an incubator when hatching chicks can be possible naturally? Yes, it may be possible for eggs to hatch naturally, but in this process, each egg requires parental guidance to maintain these features. That is not possible in poultry with large quantities of eggs. The incubator areas are cleaned from time to time to prevent the spread of bacteria. The incubation period for chicken eggs is typically 21 days. During this time, the eggs are turned regularly to ensure that developing embryo does not stick to the shell. After 18 days of incubation, the eggs are transferred to a hatcher, where the temperature and humidity are adjusted to encourage hatching. The chicks will hatch within 3 days of being transferred to the hatcher. After that, the chicks are taken out of the incubator. Then males and female chicks are separated because only female chicks are capable for laying eggs. Then female chicks are vaccinated after hatching to prevent the spread of disease among the flock. The newly hatched chicks are then transported to the farm, where they are kept in a boarding unit for the first 6 weeks of their life. They are provided with heat, water, feed and bedding to keep them warm, hydrated and comfortable. After 6 weeks, the chicks are moved to a larger and more spacious housing where they have access to natural light, fresh air, and outdoor areas. They are fed a balanced diet of grains, proteins, vitamins, and minerals to support their growth and health. At about 20 weeks of age, the hens start laying eggs. In this stage, the hens are moved in cages where they access a comfortable place for laying eggs. Provides them with a measured amount of diet 3 times in a day that is made of various grains such as supplements of vitamins, minerals, calcium and soybean for protein. Hens also drink water through a nipple. When pecked, the device releases a few drops of water into the hen's mouth. When the hens start laying eggs, the automatic system installed in the cage takes out the eggs and transports them to the factory. Inside the factory, all the eggs coming from the different cages are collected on conveyors. The process of moving eggs on the conveyor is very slow so that the eggs don't break. Then all the eggs are passed through the narrow space to align them in a grid pattern. Then in the next process, the eggs are passed through an automatic handling machine which can detect dirty, broken and leaked eggs through image processing by computer vision system. If such eggs are caught, then in this process, those eggs are removed. Then, the eggs are cleaned with a spinning dry cleaning brush. Then, in the next process, the eggs are manually sorted to remove spoiled eggs that are accidentally missed by the automatic handling machine. Then, in the next process, the eggs are disinfected using ultraviolet light. It kills microorganisms like bacteria, viruses, and fungi present on the surface of the eggs. Then, the eggs are rechecked for cracks in the next process because it is possible some eggs may crack after going through several processes. The machine uses high-frequency sound wave to detect cracks on the eggs. If cracked eggs are caught, they are separated. Then, in the next process, the eggs are weighed using electronic sensors to sort them based on size and quality. After weighing, the sorted eggs are trapped in the egg grader clip. Here, we have to understand some mechanism of complete automatic packaging area. This is an egg grater in which sorted eggs are proceeded. Next to it are multiple automatic tray laying machines and packaging machines, and these are separate packaging sectors in which each size and quality of eggs are packaged. The automatic tray laying machine releases egg trays from bundles and delivers them to automatic packaging machines. Then the egg grater releases each size and quality of eggs into different sectors from its grab. Then released eggs go into the automatic packaging machine. It automatically packs the eggs in an oriented manner. After that, the small packets get covered automatically, and the trays go through conveyor to manual packers, where the egg trays are manually packed into carton to supply in market. So this was the entire process of producing millions of eggs in a poultry farm. I hope I was able to explain a complex process in simple language. Please let me know in the comment box how you liked this video. If you are new on this channel, then don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. I will see you again in the next video.